Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will see the troubleshooting part for error image pull or image pull back off. So error image pull is basically when it is trying to pull the image. The pod is trying, when we are creating the pod, it is trying to pull the image, but it's not able to pull and there is an error. Image pull back off, error image pull leads to image pull back off. So when it is trying for multiple times and it is failing, then the error is coming, then it will show image pull back off, like it has retried multiple times but the image is not, like it's failing to pull the image. So today we'll see that what can be the possible reasons and basically where all to check. So without further ado, let's start. So what I'm trying to show is, this is a deployment.yaml that I have, and here I have, like, this is the YAML file which I'm going to use. And earlier it was running fine because we used the correct image, but now I have changed the image intentionally to something image, this image does not exist. And we'll see that we will, when we are doing the apply, I have already did that. I just did kubectl apply -f and given the path where the files are present, YAML files are present, and because I changed in web.app, so that's why it got configured, and you can see that it's giving error image pull error. So it's because the image that I'm using is not present, it does not exist. So what I am trying to show, that when you are, this error, this type of error comes only when see, so earlier when I ran it for the first time, it gave error image pull, but then when it has tried multiple times, it, after 4 minutes, it was just 7 seconds, after 4 minutes giving image pull back off. So that's why I said that error image pull will lead to image pull back off. For the first time it will give error image pull, then it will start giving image pull back off because it is retrying several times. So in this case, what I'm trying to show, that whenever you mention any kind of image in the YAML file which does not exist, it will give the image pull back off error. Then it will give image pull back off error. Okay, so if I am doing kubectl describe pod and I am trying to describe it, then you will see that 1 second, okay, you will see that image is using the image that I used. Okay, so this can be one of the reason why why this image pull back of error can happen. Next thing is, if you used, like, if you use a incorrect tag in the YAML file of the image, you missed to give some tag which is not correct. Suppose I am giving here nginx 199 or something like this, 199, and I'm giving it save, and when I'm saving, and let me close it also, then if I'm running kubectl apply -f, again you will see web app configure because the change is made in there only. And if I do kubectl get pods, it's again giving the error image pull, because if you give incorrect image tag also, then also it will give this error. So in case of any typo in the image, incorrect tag given, or the image name does not exist, then you will see these kind of errors. Okay, the other thing which is which will give this kind of error is, suppose your image is a private image, it's not present in a public repo. Suppose that image is present in a Docker hub, but it's a private image. So you need to create the secret of that image in the particular namespace. Okay, suppose I'll so if I do, there is no secrets, but because I'm not using the private image, it's a public. But to create the secret, it is kubectl creates secret. The secret name you need to give something rg, and then you need to pass something, the docker username. It will go in the next line, but I'm just showing, or you can say docker username, and then you need to give the docker name password. It will create a secret in that particular namespace if you want for the particular namespace, and then if you will try to fetch then only it will fetch. But if the secret doesn't exist and you are trying to fetch the image from the private repo, it will give authentication error. Okay, so you need to make sure that secret is present and also in the correct namespace. If the secret is present in incorrect namespace and you are trying to create the pod in some other namespace, it will fail. So basically this I'm just showing. Okay, it is like kubectl create secret docker registry with this name. Okay, it's not showing correctly, but it's like giving the docker name and all that. Then after this, once you have created the secret in the particular namespace that you want, you need to define that image or that secret in your YAML file. So suppose if you have created the secret, you need to define the image pull secret secrets, and yeah, like this. So image pull secret hyphen name, and then the name of the secret that you have created. And after this, you will see that it will work properly. So these kind of errors can lead to, if we are missing it, these kind of errors can lead to error image pull, and it will lead to image pull back off later on. So basically the wrong authentication given, or wrong image given, or wrong this can lead to the image pull back of error. So if suppose if I am giving the correct image, it will pick the correct let me try giving the correct image, and then let me see if this is working fine or not. So let me just revert the change everything, and let me just give the correct image. Let me save it, let me close it, and then let me try to again kubectl apply -f, and you see that again the change has been made. And if I do kubectl get pods, then you see, okay, some issues here, I'm not able to see. Let me see. Okay, any change have been made? Let me check. Web, we have not defined any namespace name. Let me describe this. Is it running with the same name? Yeah, I think 22 minutes. Okay, it was the old image, but I think it is running with the image that I have used. But yes, the thing is, I want to show that if you'll give the correct image, we will get the pod will be up and running. So of course these are the debugging steps. We can debug more, and I need to see that what happened. But yes, this is about ImagePullBackOff or ErrImagePull. So that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.